Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So right here we're checking out the Chevy Malibu. This is the 2020 LT1, I believe it is. So I've been driving a few days because my other Chevy is actually in the shop, so they gave me this. Now, I'm not that big of a fan of sedans anymore. I used to have them, but then ever switching to SUV, it just feels like I'm driving and I'm sitting on the ground. So not a fan of that, but that's just a personal preference. Now I will say this is a really sleek looking car on the outside. Look at those wheels, and this is the LT1. So I'll give you an idea. Now the color of this is, it's like a grayish bluish. It's really cool. And go ahead and show you looking in here real quick. So obviously, because it is a loaner, a lot of things are not opened up. Plenty of trunk room, and there is the split 2/3 there, so if you needed it to open that up and put things in there, but plenty of room. So if you're getting an idea, if you're doing a rental car, you know, you can definitely fit a good amount of luggage in here for sure. Let's go back over here real quick. Now in here I obviously do have car seats in here right now, but this is actually like a blackish leather. I don't know if it is leather or not, but you know, pretty nice look to it there. You got a vent in the back. This also has all the floor protectors, which is great. One thing here that I did find, if you have one of the smaller booster seats, it is a little hard to get to the seatbelt there because it's maybe not as wide the seat as some other cars. But that was just you know, something that I saw that my kids were having a little trouble with. Then you do have your headrest there, and there's also another drop down here with probably some cup holders. Pretty cool. And let's go ahead and jump in the front. I'll show you that. I do like that it is very sleek looking, you know, for a sedan. So, but I do feel like I'm sitting really on the ground. So this one here, we have a push button engine start stop. If we can go ahead, we'll do that. Now what I found with this, I'm sure it's a 4-cylinder. It is a little hesitant. You know, it's not a sports car at all, but overall it did drive really nice. But again, just personal preference, I'm really low to the ground. So the seats, let's see if we can see here. We have our different controls, all digital and powered controls on this one, as well as you can see the dashboard that lights up. So this here, on the steering wheel, we have actually a heated steering wheel. You have your collision control, cruise control, as well as lane guidance, which is pretty cool. I set that, I have that on our other car, and that's pretty nice. Then we have a nice touchscreen here with plenty of different options. Right now it's got Sirius XM in it, which is cool. And then you have, you know, everything from, I believe it has navigation and your phone control. It tells you your temperature, your time, of course. And then we have dual zone air conditioning and heating. So you have all those different options, as well as sync. And then down here underneath, if you can see, there's a power outlet, audio in, looks like USB, and it also looks like USB-C, which is pretty cool to see as well. And then you have traction control and parking assist buttons right there. And then obviously your shifter. So also on the other side, this one is not powered. The passenger seat is not powered. And then you do have your glove box with all your standard information there. So not really any other things here. I'm looking to see if there's any like hidden compartments, anything like that. It's auto stop. So nothing there. And then up top we do have your OnStar and your talk and those different things. So inside, you know, really nice. Now I'm not a huge fan that these seats are extremely comfortable to me. I like a little softer, but it is a brand new car, so it probably does require some break-in for it. But that's you know, that's just, again, personal preference. My biggest thing is just sitting so low that I don't really like that. So get an idea of what it looks like inside there. Overall, really nicely designed and looking car. Again, it drives pretty nice. Would I like it to be a little faster? Yes. Another preference that I would like, this unit shifted a little bit, maybe turned a little bit towards the driver a little more, but that's, again, personal preference there. Just give you an idea of what it looks like in the car. So go ahead, stop that, and let's go ahead and take a look under the hood and see what that looks like. If I can find it. There you go. So there you go. That's the Ecotech engine. I'm sure it is a 4-cylinder. Uses the 0-weight 20 oil. Everything is really, really tight in there, so good luck changing anything like that. But overall, I think it's a really nice car. It's probably a 2-liter or so. So that right there, again, is the 2020 Chevy Malibu 1 LT. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.